Hi guys, so today I'm cooking uh, buttered chicken a la curry. I'm gonna try this one. So here are the ingredients: butter with melted butter with rosemary and a bit of uh, five spices, just a pinch of it, lemon, garlic, salt, and chicken, fresh chicken. Binutterfly ko siya para ilagay ko dito. So, let's get cracking. So, ilagay ko muna yung lemon first. The reason I'm using a foil para diretso tapon. Tamad ako maghugas. So, in goes the lemon, then garlic. Lagay natin na lang siya like alternate like that. And a bit of salt. Huwag madami. Kasi medyo lagyan ko rin siya ng konting butter. And then lagyan natin ng pepper. So may pepper na. Then rosemary. Then lagyan natin konting butter din. Everywhere. Huwag masyado kasi pag binake mo na siya, magmo-moist na like that. And then ipa-try natin yung chicken, yung totally dry siya. Then lagyan natin siya ng black pepper and then konting asin. So ilagay natin like this, facing down. Then ilagay natin yung butter on top with pepper and rosemary and a bit of pinch of 5 spices. Ilagay natin on top, saka natin i-bake for 30 minutes. So eto na yun, yung butter nasa top. And then i-bake natin siya.
Decade late, and you're on some sort of therapy assignment, and you want to sort things out with me. Connection with this? You know what? There is indeed.